Okay, it looks like we're live. So, welcome back. Today I'm going to be learning Rust, finally. So, here is the source code for everything that I'm going to be working on today. So, yeah, Rust is a bit more difficult than Go, so it might take a bit of time before I actually can start writing in it. But yeah, let's just try it out. So, Rust has a lot of elements of functional programming, which is not something that I am super familiar with. I have a bit of, like, the only one I've used is OCaml, and not very extensively. So some of that stuff I'm going to have to be learning. Just a disclaimer. So I might do some things wrong. So yeah, all the experienced Rust developers, please forgive. So I'm not going to be using Cargo right now. I'm just going to use Rust compiler to compile everything. So I'm just going through learn X and Y on Rust. And that is what I'm going to look at. So I know a bit about Rust. So comments, you can have nested comments. That is cool. Hang on, let me see here. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So, 5 equals 0. Okay, you can support Markdown. Okay, that's interesting. So, no imports at the top or anything like that. So, alright, and let's just make a function. So, add 2, and that takes, a 32-bit integer. 2 of them, actually. Yeah, I get what that means. And then, yeah, we'll output another 32-bit integer. And then, alright, implicit return. That is interesting. Yes. And then main. So let me just try it out. Yeah. So I will just actually, I think it's print line like that. And then something like that. And add to 15 and 20. Sure. And then a semicolon at the end. So let me try to compile it. Just using Rust C, main.rs, and didn't get any errors. Let me run it, and 35. Alright, and let me just make sure. If I get rid of this, I should get an error. Okay, I didn't get an error. So maybe you don't need a semicolon at the end? Is it because there's only one thing? So let me try I32 equals 13. You have to put I32 at the end as well. It doesn't work without that. Let me try it. Alright, let's see. So I'm going to get rid of the semicolon and see. Yeah, alright, so it didn't work. Semicolon there. And alright, and then if I run it, and it works. So at the last one, you don't have to put one, I suppose. Yeah, alright. I'm still going to put one anyway, because I prefer it that way. More consistent. So what is the point of that? Alright. And, okay, you can infer what you're doing. If you just do let x equal 12. Yeah, let me try that, and then throw x into here. And let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, so that works. So that is interesting. Yes. Makes sense to me. Alright, and then you can make it mutable. So by default, they're not mutable. So I can't do, x, plus equals 1, something like that will fail. Yep. Alright, so, but if I make it mutable, then it will work. Alright, yeah. Makes sense to me, makes sense. Alright, let's see. So yeah, here is printing that. Okay. And then string. Alright, so it's just string like that. Let me do s equals. Hello. You have to have the toString. Let me try it without it. Oh yeah, semicolon right there. Let's see. Okay. Add to is never used. Oh yeah, okay, I can just get rid of it. Yeah. That's fine. Alright, and let's see. Okay, so it works, and then it does output it. So why do you need the toString? Alright. Heap allocated string. Okay, so that's what the string is. It's allocated on the heap. Okay. Stored as vector of U8, and always holds that, which is not null terminated. Okay, so no null termination. Alright, a string slice. Alright, a view into another string. Immutable pair of pointers to a string. It doesn't actually contain the contents of a string, just to the pointer to it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I've seen stuff about memes about Rust having a lot of different strings, so okay. Alright, so it's just a pointer to it then. Okay. Let me try that. So let slice equal equal that. Does that work? And if I output slice, and there we go. Okay. Okay, so it is just a pointer to it then. Is there like size up or something so I can see something like that? Probably not. Yeah, alright. Let me see if there's size up in route. Because I want to see like the size of the different elements. Get the size of a user-defined struct. Okay, well, I don't need to get into that right now. Okay, so, and then is this, what does that do? Yo, how are you doing? Dadigen, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm not very good at pronouncing names, but yes, okay. So, yeah, how are you doing? Okay, so that's a slice, and then here is an array, alright? So let me try that out. Right. So I'm just going to do this, equals vector 1, 2, 3. So I want to see how much it was about that. And I'm assuming you can't print it out. I need a name though. Let's see. I'm stuck on some coding homework. What kind of homework? Okay. Macro with a similar name. Yeah, because this is supposed to be vec. There we go. So, let's see. I don't think you can print vectors like that, but can always try. So, yeah, so that's probably not gonna work. If I get rid of this though, then let's see if it wants us to find that. So, unused variable. All right, well then let me make it mutable actually. And then let's see, vector. Let's see, just something like this equals what? Will that work? Okay, and then if I run it, okay. So then let me actually print an index of it. So let me do vector 0, and let's see what happens. Okay, 12. So it did actually print, and then 1 should be 2. Okay, and if it's not mutable, then 0 with 1 will be that. A machine learning. I don't really know anything about machine learning. Yeah, something I've not delved into yet. I would like to at some point. Okay, so that's just a vector, and you can define the type, rather than implicitly doing it like this. Alright, yeah. Okay, vector slice. Oh, okay, you can make a slice. What is Rust? It is a programming language. Okay, so alright. Ooh, okay. Alright, so let me try that. What? Slice equal. I think we can just infer from that. And then can I just print the slice? Why would people use Rust? Well, it is memory safe. Something like that. I don't know, it's supposed to be safer than most other languages, because it checks for certain things at compile time. Vector is not found, because it's just vec. Alright, and we get an error, but I think I can do something like that. And if I run it, there we go. So we can actually print the whole thing. So that's how you do that. Yes indeed. Alright, tuples. Oh, possibly different types. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Destructuring let. So, ABC. Oh, okay, and then it gets each element of it. Ooh, okay. That's interesting. I see, that makes sense. Maybe I can try that out. So, let's see, let x. Let's see, so it can just infer that. And hello. And then, print x. Can you print a tuple? Let's see. Okay, and that actually did work. Okay, and it did get the right type. And then I can do let a, b, c equal x, and then c should be hello. Actually, use variable b. Ooh, do I need to make it? Let's see. Oh yeah, I don't use the variables, so let me actually just print them all. A, b, and c. And then, yeah, I'll get rid of that and go like that. Alright, let's see. So then if I run it, and okay, that is interesting. Yes indeed. Indexing. Alright, so you index with a dot on tuples. That makes sense to me. So yeah, just x.2. And I'm assuming it's still 0 index. Alright, I can get rid of these. And then run this, and hello. Alright, yes. Okay. Structures. Let's do that. Can you define it outside of a file? Okay. Is x and y. Okay, and alright. Whoops. Why does my degree force us to learn multiple languages when it takes a few years to master one language? Well, I think it takes more than a few years to master. Like, I don't know Like, it probably takes 30 years maybe to actually master a language. Well, once you master one, like if you've been programming for 30 years, you can probably have a few languages that you've mastered. Like once you master one, then you can master, quote unquote, another one. Yeah, but I don't know that that even necessarily exists. But it's important to use multiple languages because they all have different strengths and weaknesses. Yeah, so let me make a point. Let point, and let me just do this. Point of x 0 and y 0. And then let's do point dot x. Alright, and I need a semicolon. Let's run this. Alright. Y is never red. Okay. That is just a 1. So if I run that, then we still get 0. So let me actually make it 5 and 2. And alright, 2. So it is working. Yes indeed. Alright, a struct with unnamed field called a tuple struct. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Alright, enum. Yes, yes. Enum. Okay, enum. Let's see. Optional. And I32. 32. Okay, no. Alright. And then, okay, 2, which is of that, equals that. Okay. Alright, so you can set the value of it. I see. So, what 2 is, let's see, can I just do this? Optional. Maybe it can't be called optional, that might be a keyword. And then, an I32. 50. Makes me feel lost because I don't even truly know the pros and cons of a language since I'm not high level enough to get to utilize the pros. Well, I think maybe you need to focus on one outside of school. Like still do the ones that you have inside school, but then do some other one or a specific one that whichever one you choose. It doesn't really matter that much. And just try to get really good at that specific one in your free time. But I don't know. Equals. Optional. No. Alright, so if I do that, then can you print them out? Let's see. 2. So that'll be the value of it, right? And we have a problem. So, let's see. Optional cannot be formatted. Okay. So how do you just get the value of it? Can we do that? Alright, maybe it says. So, not intended for option. Okay, so I can do it, like that. Okay. Alright, that still doesn't work. Right, debug. Okay, let me just look it up. Alright, let's see. Print enum in Rust. Is there a way to do it, or do you have to do it like in C? You sound like you have 200 IQ. I do not. I can assure you that. Let's see. So, display enum. Alright, so it's just, yeah, okay. I see. Okay. Yeah. So you attach this to that. Alright, yeah, we can get into that. So, alright, direction. Okay. So what? So you can't just print it. So, So, alright, option. And let me, maybe it's because I called it optional. That could be part of it. I might not be able to do that, right? Because it could be a keyword. Yeah, okay, it's still, it doesn't matter. Alright. Okay, so here's a method. So you can attach it to a struct. Alright, so let me make, let's see, we have the point struct, so let me do that. So impl, and then what is t? That is, alright, it's a generic type, I suppose. Alright, let me do impl point. And that will make a method, right? Do I have to have the t? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. Okay, so let's see. Output. Let me just try that, and then self. Yeah. So take self, and then let's see. I don't want to return anything. I just want to print print line. Let's see. I don't know if this will work. So we'll find out though. So just something like that, and then x and y, and then self.x and self.y. Let's see what will happen. So I do that, and then I make a struct. So let's see. Let x point equal point, and we want x is 15 and y is 1. Sure. And then let's just do point dot output. I'll get rid of this enum, and I'll have a semicolon right there, and let's see what happens. So okay, and it did work. So that is cool. Yeah. Move and x. I want to do that. Self. So line. No, not line. So just self.x minus equals 1. And then output it. So do that, and then point by move neg x. Let me try that. So if I do this, maybe we could take amount as well. So x or amount, which would be I32, and just minus equals amount. And then, so let's see what the problem is here. Mutable. Oh yes. Okay, so it needs to be mutable. Sense to me. All right, and okay, this has to be mutable as well. Yes. All right, so if I run this thing, and okay. I actually moved by the same amount as that. So let me just do 1, and then make sure to move by 1. Okay. Yes, that seems to be working. That is cool. Okay. So. All right. Interfaces or type classes. Okay. Okay. Fibonacci. Okay, so like pattern matching. Or is it like more like a switch case? Let me try that. Function Fibonacci. I can never spell it. And just the n number. Inside, okay. Alright. So, so this is a recursive solution. Let's see. Alright, so I am familiar with this pattern matching stuff. Otherwise, we do Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Alright. They put a comma at the end. Oh yeah, because it is that. Alright, that makes sense. So then I can actually print of, do that, and then Fibonacci 12. Let's see. Run that, and 233. Alright, I think the 5. I remember what 5 is. Alright, I think 5 is it. That sounds right to me. So that's 1, and then this should be 1 as well. It's 2. So I don't think that's quite right. Maybe it is. I don't remember. Let me look at the Fibonacci sequence. Want to make sure it's right. 0, 1, 1. Alright, so that's 0, 1, and then 2. 2 should be 1. And 0 should actually be 0. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. This is really... Then 2 is 1. And then that is. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that's absolutely right. Yeah, and then 3 is 2, which is right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and then... Let's see. So then 4... is 3, okay, and then 5 is 5. Alright, is that right? Let me count and see it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then 6 is 8, and then 7 is 13, so let's do 8. And there we go. Alright, 21. Yeah, so that is right. So I don't know. Not sure why it's this way. Alright, function pointer. Ooh, okay. Function pointer? Ooh. Okay, that's interesting. Let me try that actually. Okay. So just type function pointer equals function 32, which is 32. Okay, outputs you 32. Uh-huh. Okay. And then, we can just do like fib equals, let me just see if it can infer that. I don't know if it can, but maybe. It's Fibonacci, and then just call fib. Function pointer is never used. Alright, yeah, so it can't, of course it can't do that at the same time. Function pointer. Yeah, and then it'll work. And there we go, we can run it, and there we go. That's pretty cool. Okay. So yeah, what if I do it without that? Like this. Like that. What will happen? Let's see. 21. Alright, so it does the same thing. So that is just, to make it more readable, I suppose. Or maybe there's other reasons to do that. Where it might not catch it properly. Okay, so that is, yeah, pattern matching. So that is similar to this. Okay. Yes. Alright, so that's actually how you could output that. I see. And can you have nested functions, actually? And then just print one. And then call test down here. Alright, so that does actually work. So that is cool. Very cool. Alright. So, numbers are 0, numbers... Alright. Okay. For loops. Yes, I would like to look at that. So, let's make... let's see, can I just do, alright, let me make an array. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So, array. For I in array. I. There we go. And I'm going to actually move it down here. And, okay, so let's see. Array, because it is for R. It should print out 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, perfect. That makes sense to me. Makes sense. For I in, okay, a range. Okay, I see. So 0 to 10. I can do without the type. And I can get rid of array since we're not using it right now. And slash min. Alright, yes indeed. So that works. Okay, makes sense to me. Yes indeed. So, 1 equals 1. Alright, yeah, if statements. Pretty obvious what those mean. Let value equals if true. Okay, that's interesting. While loop. Alright. Those make sense as well. Yes. And then infinite loop is just loop. So you could also do while true, right? And that would have essentially the same effect, right? While true. This will just print forever still, right? It's just use loop. So it will still work with that. Loop is slightly different than while true. Okay. How is it different? Maybe it actually said that in the compile. Let me actually put that back. So, whoops, that's not what I need. Alright, recompile. So does it say why? Or how it's different? Okay. It doesn't say. Loop is an expression, it can return a value. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. I see. Break. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a little question. My team has chosen in C# as a website, and I'm wondering what methods the user should get and what the calendar, which is in top of our, for example. I don't know. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Okay. Let x equal, alright, I'm gonna try that. So, x equal loop, and, great, okay. Oh, right here, yes. And then actually, line, x. Okay. Like this. Alright. Okay. Thank you for that. Yes. Okay, so, alright. One thing can own this pointer at a time. Okay. Alright, I see. So, bots. Let's see. I don't have the bots, so or is bots thing. All right. Let's see. Okay. So remove that. Oh yeah. Okay. That's fine. 3. Okay. So that does work. And then yeah, and I can actually change it. I just thought you were just messing with him because I've never seen that kind of construct before. Even though I know how to program in Rust. Learn something new every day. Ah, yeah. So 9 equals 12. 15. 12. And it'll be 15. Okay, perfect. Okay. Mine is moved. Okay. So let's see. Immutable pointer. Okay. Okay, let me try that out. There equals 4, there equals 3. Yep, there. Equals there. No, actually, I add this as well. Front line. There and ref there. Okay, and let's see. Never read. Okay. Okay. So 3. Okay. Okay. And I can get rid of that, and it will be 4. What was that warning? Let's see. Okay, it doesn't need to be mutable. Sorry in front of that to print it. Let me get rid of that so I don't have the warning. No slash main. Alright. Oh, okay. So is there a reason that it is like that in here? Okay. Alright, that was actually the end. So, okay. Let me try some of these. So just simple stuff to implement. So let me get rid of this stuff. And I'm going to try to do a couple things. So yeah, get rid of all that. And then yeah, just these are just some different projects for learning a language. Not really, it's a perk of the print line macro. It will dereference references instead of treating it as though it was the pointer. Okay. I see. Yeah. So Fibonacci already did that using the pattern matching. You should do Rustlings. Alright, let's see what. Rustlings. Helped you to learn Rust. Alright. Is that right here? Alright, so getting started. Okay. Alright, I will do that. Over here. Okay, it is installing. Building. Okay. I can move it over here. Yes. Okay. Fans are heating up. Okay, is there manually what? Okay. Almost done. Okay. 62. pretty slow. Probably because of my internet connection though. You have LSP set up in your editor, run Wrestling's LSP to configure it for Wrestling's unique file layout. Okay. Well, I have treats in. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Well, it worked. So, right. CV. Yeah, I shouldn't have installed in my home directory. That was but okay. Okay. Let's see. Is this your first time? Okay. Wrestling's watch. Okay. Type out. Alright, so. Oh, okay. So just. I don't understand how to use it. Um. Okay. So. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Intro. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, wrestling. Oh, whoops. Oh, whoops. Okay, there we go. And then go into assignment. Right, intro 1. Okay, and welcome to that. Move, I am not done. Okay, and I messed it up. Alright. Okay, actually, this is the next one, I guess. So, yeah, I need to edit that one. Okay. And then I'll do that over here. Right. This. Wrestling. Intro. There we go. So I will edit intro to. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. That worked. There we go. Alright, and then intro 3. Is there not intro 3? Okay, it must be different one. It says right there. Okay, variables. Okay. Variables 1. Let's see. So, not finding this. Oh yeah, I need to do. Right. There we go. And seems to have worked. Okay. Variables 2. So, give it an explicit type. I give 2. Like this. Okay, finding the value as well. Alright, equals. Okay. Then it works. Okay. There we go. Variables 3. Let's see. Okay. Variables 4. So I'll change this one. Yeah, let mutable. Yes, that is what it wants, I think. Okay. Variables 5. Let's see. So, okay, don't rename this variable. Okay. Okay. Cannot add integer to stir. Okay, I don't quite understand. You can't add that. Hint. Okay. Oh, whoops. Hint. There we go. We learned how to make an immutable variable mutable. Doesn't help us much because we want to assign a different type value. Reuse existing variable names because you were just converting values. Shadowing. Okay, let's look at shadowing. Shadowing. Right. Or do I have to just do like that? Okay. Yes, I suppose so. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. 6. Okay. Number 32. Okay, functions. Yeah. So that was all of those. Yep. Functions. Functions 1. There we go. Okay, so we need a function called function call me. And then there we go. Just whatever. Whoops. And does that work? Okay. Guess I don't have to exit out every time. I could just whatever. So call me 3. Not find none. Okay. I guess that is what I wanted. Alright. Yes. Okay. Argument. Alright, so we need an argument in there. Okay, functions 4. Store is having a sale. On number is 3 Rustbucks off. Don't worry about the function bodies themselves. We're only interested in the signatures for now. Okay. So, what is the error? Oh, we need a type here of the return. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Save that, and then functions 5. There we go. So, expected I32. Found nothing. Oh, so I need to, if I get rid of this, I think it is implicit. Yeah. Alright, perfect. Okay. Okay. That's if, so it's out of here. If 1. Alright. Making good progress. Complete this function to return a bigger number. Not use another function called additional variables. Okay. Return the bigger one. Okay. So, I don't know if that is right. Consider returning one of these bindings. Okay. Yeah, okay, I have to return. Maybe there is a better way that they want me to do that, but so, okay. Oh, like a one-liner. Like that. I don't know if it's gonna redo it. Okay, it did work, so. Okay. Okay. Physish. So else one. Phase foo. Fuzz bar. Oh, just okay. Yeah. Okay, if fizzish equals fizz, so it wants fuzz bar. Okay. Alright. Okay. If 3. Unknown. Expected integer but found stir. If and else. So let's see what it wants. I'll change this. Gopher is burrow. Okay. Okay. Unknown. So this can be anything else, right? Look at that. Found integer. Okay. Does it have to be blocks? Okay. Yeah. Does it have to be float? Okay. Okay. Yes. So that is quiz. Alright. There is no quiz. So quiz. Quiz what? Quiz 1. Alright, so it's just in here. Quiz 1. Okay. Don't modify this function. Okay. Calculate the price of apples. So alright. Mary's buying apples. An apple is calculated as follows. An apple costs 2 rust bucks. More than 40 apple, each apple only costs 1. Okay. So let's see. 4. Alright, so if we need to actually take something here. So you're going to return an I32, and we need n32. Okay, if n greater than 40, then n, else n times 2. Yeah, okay, there we go. Get rid of this. And then, okay, primitive types. Primitive types 1, let's see. Booleans. Right, so let is evening equals opposite of is morning. Semicolon. Okay, there we go. And okay. Okay, if is alphabetic. That has code missing. Where is it missing? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Let or whoops. Yeah, it doesn't like me typing in comments. Let me just put space. There we go. Your character equals a sure. Semicolon. And there we go. Okay. Very cool. So 3 now. Alright. crab. Alright, I don't have that one. Oh, okay. A equals. Alright. I32. Okay. 32, there we go. Okay. Oh, dot len. Okay, so it has to be a. Probably has to be an array. Yeah. That you should have assigned crab as. Oh, okay. I did not understand. I'm not gonna go back and do it. Yes, this can be an array. I don't know if I have to. Right. Let's see. So how do you actually do the arrays? Okay. You have to put a colon and then the sign. Maybe not. There we go. Okay. Okay. Yes, indeed. Okay, 4. I'll go back to that other one, actually. Character, and I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, there we go. Let's see, we'll redo that one. Yes. Okay, and it did pass. Cool beans. Cool. Okay. Uh-huh. Nice slice. Okay. So, the slice of it is like that. And then, okay, no implementation for that. Do I need, 3, 4. So it wants, alright, let me do hint, and let's see. So, slices, yeah, I'll just look at slices. Rust slices. So, let's see. Alright, can you just do index? And you want 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3. Let's see, like that. Is that right? Okay. Panic at that. Left equals right. Okay, So why to 4? Whoops, I accidentally exited out of it. So Elpa Tetone just followed this minute. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, let's see, I was on 4. Yeah. So I want to figure out what happened. So why is it 4? So I really meant to do that. There we go. So then it won't pass, right? Yeah. Exclusive is 1 to 4. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Alright. Yeah, alright. So, 5. So, let's see. Oh, I didn't need the... I'm not done. Okay, 5 now. So, expected... expected a pattern. Okay. So, how are patterns? Let's see. Okay, actually it is like... Alright, I see. Name and page. There we go. So like that. Yes, I remember that. Yes indeed. So, let's see. Now, 6. Let's second. Yeah, so the index. Here's dot. Let's see, which one is it? 2. And failed. Did I get the wrong one? Oh yeah. There we go. Yes, there we go. Got it. Okay. So now, now we are to vectors. Vex1. Alright, let's see. Cannot find value v in the scope. So, clear your vector here with the macro for vectors. Equals vec. Yeah, I need space there. Vec, let's see. Was it like that? I think it was like that. I can do this as well. Vec. What's I32, I think? I32. Then vec, and I forget how it is. Like this, maybe? And then what does it... Alright, so... yeah, let me actually look. I had it in here, so vec. Let's see, where was it? Right here, yeah, so it is... Okay, it's not with that, it is with these. It's supposed to be the same as the array. Okay, let's see. Expected, need a semicolon as well. That is part of it. And failed. Alright, so they have to be the same. A and B. Let's see, are you supposed to use certain syntax with this, or does it just want that? Okay. I suppose that's fine. Or am I supposed to do like A? That probably won't work. So I'll do C. Let's see. Yeah, no. I do a no, it's fine. I'll just do it how it was. Okay, that works. So vex2. Okay. So each element is multiplied by 2. Okay, so alright, it is mutable. I do that. Turn a new number. Okay. Okay. Alright, I need to dereference. Then alright, do I need to actually Oops, no. This one. There we go. Alright, yes. So it had to be returned. But again, it's the same thing like this. Yeah, okay. Yes, indeed. Okay. Move semantics. Let's see. There's nothing in here because I did the wrong one. There we go. Okay. Mutable. So, let's see. What does it want? Fill back. Okay. Alright. It doesn't say not to do that, so I guess that is what I wanted. Alright, now 2. So, okay. So, move this mute. Okay. So it doesn't need to be. It might need to be though, so we'll see. Let's see. Because Vex0 has type VecI32. Does not have the copy trait. Value borrowed here. Right, let's see. So notice an error about borrow of new value in Rust. Can't use the original variable anymore. Mm. Okay, being moved. Uh-huh. Couple different ways to mitigate this issue. You could make another separate version of data that's in there and pass that. Make it borrow its argument instead of taking ownership of it. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. Like borrow its argument instead of taking ownership of it. Uh-huh. Is probably not. This parameter takes ownership. Okay. Like in here. Right here. Let's see. Okay, yes, that is what it wanted. Yeah, because that clones it instead of taking ownership. Alright, I see. I see. 3. Okay. Cannot borrow vec as mutable? Okay. Consider in fill vec needs to be mutable. Yeah. Okay. I see. Alright. Dun, dun, dun. So that is 4. Now, let's see. So fill vec. Alright. Not a value. So vec is not a value. Because we don't have it in here. Don't change this. Instead, let's create and fill the vec in here. Okay. Vec. So how would you fill it? Let's see. Get rid of the first line so that main creates a new vector. So then vec 0 doesn't exist. Okay. And then vec had its signature chain. Which I call it should reflect. So get rid of that. Okay. Equals. Like that. Yes. Okay, and then. Okay. Oh yeah, because we pushed the 88, so we do that. Okay. Okay. 5. Let's see. Alright, cannot borrow x as mutable more than once at a time. Okay. Okay. That was pretty simple. Okay. Let's see. 6. Alright, this parameter takes ownership of the value. Alright. Borrow of mood value data. Okay. ToString get char data. Value borrowed in here. Okay. Determined value which is freed while still in use. Okay. Actually, I don't think that's what I want. I don't think. Is it? No, okay, that's not what it wants. Okay. So how do you change the ownership? Let's see. To find the answer, references and borrowing. That get char is taking ownership of the string. Okay. So data is moot and can't be used for string uppercase. Data is moot to get char first. Cannot manipulate the data. Will also need to be adjusted. Okay. Has to do with the ant character, yeah. Okay. There we go. And then, yeah, this can be like that. No. Okay. Yes, indeed. Okay. I see. Yes. Structs. That is not in here. Let's see. Structs. Yes. Structs one. Alright. Something goes here. Alright. Green. Okay. Red. Now a red. Green. Actually, it's probably not I-32, right? Probably not. But I will not do that. Red, green, blue. Is it I-8? Maybe. I don't know. I will figure it out. Select green equal. Equal color classic stripe. And red is 0. Red equals 0. Let's see. How do you do it again? I don't remember. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then 5 and blue equals 0. Okay. Let's see. So, it's a colon. Okay. Knew it was one of those. So, let's see. Like that. Okay. And then green in here. Alright. Tuple struct. So that is red. I ate actually. Green. And then blue. Like that, I think. Green equal. Let's see. 0.50. Can I just do it like that? Let's see. Okay. And then, alright, so it still isn't like that. Alright, let me look at the tuple one. I have it in here. Tuple struct. Okay, yeah, you don't put that then. How do you name it? Oh, yeah, okay, there isn't a name. So that is what it is. Yes. Okay, I see. I see. Yes. Okay. Unit like struct, yes. So, do we have those in unit? So I don't know about these, so let me see. Let me look it up. Unit like struct. Rust. Let's see. We have unit. Okay. So, with no members. Okay. Color to construct. Never constructed. Ooh. Yeah. Color classic construct. And then unit like struct. Okay. Alright, so color classic struct. Not fun. Oh wait, because it's not that, it is color tuple struct. And then yeah, so I8 is not enough. It needs to be, let's say 16. Let's see, is that better? Yes, okay. There we go. Got through that. Alright, structs 2, let's see. Alright. So, no field name. What does a name? Ooh, that's a fair point. Yeah. Yeah, it can be you. There we go. Okay. Okay. So, name. U8. Is that enough though? I don't think it was large enough, right? Oh yeah, okay, I guess because it is unsigned, so that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, sure. Whoops. Okay. Yes. Thank you for that. Okay. So, create order template. Using update syntax and okay. Okay, your order equals right. Order template. Name order template. And then I don't know. Okay. Found that. Oh, okay. String. Yes. Okay, cannot assign that. Mutable. Maybe there is a better way to do it though. I don't know. Maybe, I'm gonna make sure I'm doing it right. Let's see. Well, let me see. Okay. Alright. Well, user. Ooh, okay, I see. Yeah, okay. So, can do it like equals. Well, yeah, it is. What is the name? Whoops, I want to close out. The name is order. Okay. Order. Then name. Let's see. What was the syntax? Yeah, name is in once. And then it was a comma. Yeah, okay, comma. And then this order. Let's see. Dot toString. There we go. And the last comma. Okay. And is there another one? Okay. Now it is one. There we go. Okay. Yes, I'm glad I looked at that. So okay. That's good. Expected identifier. Okay. Let's see, where are we at? Alright, so this is not how you should handle errors in Rust. Okay, we'll learn about that later. Okay. New one. Okay, international. So what does it, let's see. So and then it's international. So how do you check that? Let's see. So I guess we're just comparing the sender country and recipient country. Package new. Okay, should panic. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So I think it's just if self dot sender country equals self dot recipient country return false. Otherwise return true. Or maybe it could just be true and false like that. I think. Thinker. Okay. Oh yeah, and this can be a bool. Just call it bool, right? Okay. Alright, get fees. So, what is that returning? Bum. Okay. Cents per gram. 1500. So it should be per gram. 3. Alright, so 3 times the weight in gram. Okay, I see. So just return self dot weight in grams times cents per gram. Ooh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean. Alright, let's do that. Yeah. There we go, like that. Yeah. Okay. So this is returning that, I suppose. Okay. Okay. You guys two failed. Which ones? Okay. That one was alright, failures right here. Okay. Okay. Yes. Alright, yes. Okay. Okay. Enodes. And LS. No. LS, there we go. Enodes 1. Okay. Enum message. So quit. Okay. Go move change color. Okay, there we go. Yes. Enums 2. Find a different variant. So so echo, which is a string. Yeah, so I need to look at this. So is enums yeah, like this. So yeah, echo, which is string, like that. Change color. Change color. Yeah, okay. Which yeah, so a U8, U8 and U8. I think it's like that. And then quit. Okay. Hello there, how are you doing? Okay. Uh-huh. Right, not found a message. Ooh, okay, because that is like, yeah. So probably need. Do I need to make a structure for it? Like, right, two, and then something like this. Yeah, I think that's right. And then move, which is what, like that. No, okay. Mm, mm-hmm. Yeah, so it doesn't want that. So is it? Mm-hmm. Anonymous drop. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, it doesn't like that. So, all fine. What about you? I am good. I am good. Okay. So, point doesn't implement debug. Does it need to go below that? Okay, it doesn't. It doesn't matter. So do I need to do that? I don't know. Okay. Message move is defined there, and that field does not exist. So, let me look at, let's see. Rust enum of struct. So what is that? So, okay. Okay. Can I just do that then? Rather than defining a struct, can do like that, and then X, yeah, and then Y. Okay. MetaMe just rated with a party of 20 viewers. Thank you, I appreciate that. Very cool. Shout out. How are you guys doing? Hello, everyone. We're doing some Rust. Yeah, so I am learning it. Rust, let's go. Yes, indeed. Yeah, so I haven't really used Rust before, so this is my first time. Yes. So I'm going through the Rustlings to try to learn it. Okay, so need to remove that. There we go. And enums 3. Okay, so let's see. Oh, Smiling Big followed. Thank you. Wrestling is great, even though I never used it. Nice. Okay. Kenran __. That's what it looks like. Followed. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, so no variant. Change color. Okay. Implement the variants. Okay. So, okay. Change color. So that is okay. Let's see. Let's see what is going on. So what color is that? So that needs to be is it supposed to be okay, let's see if I can figure it out. So go is not found. So we can have all those. I'll just define them all and then I can figure out what they are for. Okay. So, change color. Nightshade dude followed. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Basically, is it supposed to be? Huh. Data change color. So that can be a string. String. I see rust. I follow. Very nice. Yeah. Call expression requires function. So that needs to be a function pointer? I don't know. Message. So message, let's see, move. So that, okay, a point. So that can be actually a point like that, yes? Okay, and then this, okay, let's see. So is, let's see. To compile the code without errors. So, oh wait, okay, so that is just how it was before, actually. It was a tuple, like that. It's probably a UA capsule. Okay, that is actually what it was. I was misreading what it was. Okay, and then, yeah, we need to, let's see, create a match expression, process the different message. So, let's see, how can I, let me look at this. I don't remember exactly. Match, okay, match, message. So, okay. Is that what we are matching? I'm assuming. Okay. It was a function argument. Message. So, so what are we trying to, what are we trying to do exactly? Let's see. Get the value. So, so it's just matching with the type, like that. But then what are we returning? Oh, okay, we are actually calling these. I see. You'll need extra parentheses. Okay. Dot. Color. How does it? Just a comma. Okay. Then, so it's echo, right? Or how did I do that? No, it was not. It's how it was before. Okay. So like that, and then, oops. And then, what is change color is actually, yeah, this should be change color. I don't know why I did that. Change color is that. And then echo is echo. No, I don't know why I did function. It is actually change color. Echo with see the string. Yeah, so it is actually the message, yeah. Message, I believe. Let's see. Then we have it, which can be the last one actually. And then we have move position. Let's see. Function to do. I don't know. there we go. So is that what it wants me to do? Yeah. Oh, so. Okay. Move position. I have, it's just move. Okay. Just move. Move position. And then the point. So it is just self.position. Message dot position. Okay. Or actually, is it? No, it's not in the message either. It is in the self. Yeah, self. That is what I want to do, right? I think so. Okay, and then this can be quit. Like that. Okay. Alright, so not right. this is actually necessary parentheses. So, so, yeah, we don't want to pass that. Actually, we want the Okay, so it is to the, is it message.color? Is that okay, suppose not. Yeah, so I don't where are we getting it? Let's see. Change it to okay. What keyboard do you use? It is, let me see. It is Etrobot, I think it is called. I'm trying to find the exact one. I don't remember. On the left side of the match, you can capture RGB. Oh yes, I see. I see what you mean. Yes, okay. Like that, there we go. And then this is, hey, let me find the keyboard, and then I will finish that. Yeah, Etrobot is what it is called. I don't remember what the model is of it. I will try to provide a link. Let me flip it over and see if I can find out which one it is. Okay. Doesn't say. Yes. Let me see. Alright, I guess there's not very many of them. I think it is this one right here. That one. Yes. I don't know, I got it at like a garage sale or whatever. It was $2. Okay, so not finding the scope. Change color. Alright, let's see. So alright, that is not how you do that. Thanks, no problem. Yeah, so let's see. Is it? Oh, is it? It's like that. Yes. Like this. Okay. Message echo is fine there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. That takes a, oh, yeah. So, change color. It's not defined. Oh, it's self. Yes, self not change color. Yeah, all these are. Okay. There we go. All right. Yes, I see. That was a good one. That was a good one. Okay. Strings 1. All right. Strings. There we go. Strings 1. All right. So, let's see. Expected string is a return type. You shouldn't name your variable point. Oh shoot, did I name it point? Let's see. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Where was it? That was an email. Yes. Yeah, I see what you mean. Okay, point. There we go. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Strings. Okay, so string like this. Yes, okay. Strings 2. Okay. Try not changing this line. So is a color word. Alright, so need to do like that, yes. Yes, okay. So that is a what's it called again? A slice or whatever? Or a what's a pointer to it essentially, right? A reference. Okay. So remove white space from both ends. Okay. So how do you alright, could this just be stir plus I don't know if that'll work. That one. Okay, and then this one, move white space. So can use built-in functions methods for this. Okay, well let's see what it says. Does it yeah, trim. So let's look at these ones. Trim. So that just gets rid of all the white space, right? I think so. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do stir.trim, right? Okay. And this, replace cars with balloons. So it's going to guess, replace cars, balloons. Something like that. Let's see. So, not a value. I need to probably do this. Like that, I think so. Nope, that's not what I want. So, oh, because it's called input, not stir. That is it. I don't know if I still need to do that. Let's see. So there's a type. Yeah, I saw. I realized. Yes. Got confused because I used to C. So, yeah. So, yeah. So this can be. We don't need this. Okay, mismatch types. So, oh yeah, and then this can be .to stir. They all need to be .to stir. Yes, because they are expecting that. That one probably as well. To string, rather, not stir. Yeah, I think so. Okay, and you cannot do that. So yeah, actually this we want to like this, yes? No, okay. So you can't do that with that. So what is the way to concatenate? Okay. Is there a different way to concatenate those ones though? Let's see. Is there maybe there is a function for that. No toString on line 20 or 15. Okay. Oh yeah, because that returns a string. Okay. I see. This one still needs to be not be plus. So what is the proper way to do that? I don't need the parentheses. Is it just to make it owned, or let's see, concatenate cat stir. Not a string, but alright, so it looks like push stir. Is that a thing, or is that just from this? Let's see. So can I do that, or will that not work? Put push stir. Whoa. There we go. Like that. No. Okay, so that isn't. Let's see. Own string. Yeah, because it's not an own string. I see. Yes, just do to owned. I suppose I can do that. Just want to see if there's another way to do that. So I could do format, but I don't know that I want to do that. Could do that. Let me try that. Format and square and toOwn and toString are do the same thing here. ToOwn is the version and two for the toString. Okay. All right, and that. All right. Oh, it has to be a string literal. Okay. Oh, but I can do. Oh, I see. Actually, I did that. Yeah, I can go like that. Because it's input. Keep messing up. All right, there we go. Yes. Okay, so that works. Okay, let's see. So strings for blue. String. String. Let's see, I don't know. This one is a string, right? I don't know what dot into is. Let's see. So this one's probably a slice, right? String slice. This one maybe as well. I'm just gonna guess, and then I will work through and figure out which ones are not. So toString. This is probably a string, yes. Let's see. Not sure. So this one is a string. Let's see. This one, let's see. So I'll see what errors I get. Okay, so 4 right, 2 wrong. Okay, well, let's see. So okay, I need to recount. Okay, let me see. So sticky, got 2 lowercase. I don't understand. So unknown prefix. So it does not like this one. Was it bad? No. So I don't know what that means. Like unknown prefix sticky is unknown. Why is it a prefix? I think 8 and 2. Okay, let's see. So this is 2. Okay. Alright, still doesn't like this. Unterminated double quote. Is there 8 right, 2 wrong? Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, okay, so 2 are wrong. So let me undo that. Undo what I did. Missing that on line 28. Ooh, I see. Oh, I accidentally removed it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so that is where it was. So, string blue. By using a conversion method. Oh, okay. And then, okay, this one is, okay, there we go. So I did get a lot of them right. So, all right, let's see. So 2 lowercase returns a string. Okay. And then let's see, what was the other one? Okay. Yes. All right. Now, modules. Blue was the other one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So module. So is there like about everything in Rust is private in Rust by default. We can use to make something public. Okay. So okay. So to make it public, you just do public. I'm guessing not. So. Alright, so how do you make it public? Mm, okay. Oh, it's just pub. Okay. I see. I see. Okay, there we go. Yes. Pub makes sense. Alright. Now, module 2. Okay. Okay. Fix these use statements. So, okay. Module pass into scopes and provide new names for them with the use and as. Okay, so use pair as. Uh-huh. Just like this. Maybe not. So, delicious snacks, fruit. Oh, okay, so it is. Maybe that is not what it wants. So, let's see. I don't. Let's see. Okay. 20%. That is different. Okay. Oh wait. Oh, so that is where the yeah. My bad. Right. I see. Whoops. I didn't need to do that. That's gonna be what. Okay. So, okay. Complete the use statements to fit the uses in main and find the one keyword missing for both content. Okay. So. Uh-huh. Okay. So it needs to be fruit and baby. There we go. No, okay. Consider importing it directly. Okay. Cucumber. Okay. So to pair. Da, da. Uh-huh. Help fruits. Pair. Wait, does it want Let me see, I don't understand. So apple and carrot. Apple. Okay. Oh, but then that is not defined. So uh-huh. Talking about being private, so it wants me to make it public. Okay, no carrot. So do I not need these? Okay, so that's what I wanted. Okay, thank you. Okay, complete this use statement. Uh-huh. Okay, to bring module paths from anywhere. Okay, bring system time. Okay, so it is use se something like this, I think. I might need to look up the syntax for it. Okay. So it's not. All right. So what is? It's actually as, right? As what? I don't remember. So let me look at what it is. Yeah. Uh-huh. Use declaration. So what do we call? Uh-huh. Use. Ooh, okay, so it's just like that. Add a colon. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay, now hash maps. Okay. So let's see. It's not hash maps. One. All right. So hash map in the standard library. Okay. So basket insert. Okay. So insert is not found. Arch, by the way, pod. Yes, indeed. Arch. Yeah, I can't actually. Actually, there you go. Arch. Yes. Okay. Pod. Poggers. So that returns that. So put 2 more fruits in your basket. So I will do that. Declare your hash map equals. All right. So how do you declare a hash map? All right. So hash map. Let's see. I'm just going to do that in 32. So that is the key and the value. So let's do this. And okay. So, right, actually this is like that. Let me look at hash map. Hash map, hash map Rust. Let's see. So, let me close this one actually. Pretty slow. But all right, hash map Rust by example. So let's see how it is defined example. Rust can infer the type from the function signature. Okay. So I need to do like this. Hash map new. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Hash map new. It's not capital. Okay. All right. There we go. Yes. And all right. So almost 50% through. Very cool. Hash map 2. All right. So insert new fruits if they are not already present. All right. So how do you check if they are in? Okay. So you can match that. Is there? That is the only way to check that. So, well, first of all, let's see. So we can. Where was it at? All right, in here. You are not allowed to put any type of fruit that's already present. All right. So, okay. Can do. Basket by insert. And then what was that? Let's see, insert. So it is a fruit, apple. Well, actually, no. We go through insert fruit, and then value. Okay. So I do that. So then we need to check if it's in there. Actually, we get the value, right? Basket. So insert that. Get fruit basket. Okay. So let's see. So we can do this. Okay, let's see. It dot get food. Okay. Then, so that is an option. Some number. Okay. So we really want to not do anything if it's already in there. So yeah, basically, okay. If there is do nothing. Let's see. I don't know the exact syntax for this, but do this, and then I want to do basket dot insert root, and I don't know. Don't pass a number. So, okay. So it doesn't like that. Okay, that is not allowed there. So can I just pass, or how does that work exactly? Pass? Maybe not. So, to any. Oh, okay, just like that. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So, type of that. So, expected that, found that. So, because we don't want to return that. We don't want to return anything. So how? Yeah, okay. How do I make it not return? Okay. Root. We have to do that. Okay. To make it a block. Okay. Get that. It's still. Or wrap the whole thing in that. Like this. And add a semi. Ooh, okay. Semicolon there also. Get that. Add a semicolon. Let's see. Inside the block. Ooh, okay. Alright, thank you. Thank you for your help. Yes. Okay. So, alright. Okay. Let's see what it wants me to do. So, populate the scores in the table with details extracted from the current line. Okay. Do you mind that goals scored by Team 1 will be the number of goals conceded from Team 2? And similarly, goals scored by Team 2 will be the number of goals conceded by Team 1. Okay. Name of the team is the key. So, okay, I think I need, yeah, goals scored and goals conceded. Okay. So I think insert, and then team 1 name, and then struct like this, And then goals scored is team 1 scored. Then goals conceded is team 2 scored, right? Like that. And then this is just swapped around. Something like that. Okay. So it didn't work. Let's see. So success and then failures. So the first test. Validate. Alright, so did not work. Left 1 and right 1. Conceded 4. Okay. Conceded. Okay. So validate score 1. Do you know the song by the Crash Test Dummies? I do not. I am not familiar with that one. Okay. So what am I doing wrong here? Let's see. So validate score 1. Left is 1 and right is 5. So it was expecting 5. Team pulls that. Team 1 and team 2 name. Feels a bit like you're singing that song. You should check it out. Okay. Maybe I have heard it before and it is just subconsciously singing. I will check that out. I will actually. Yeah, there we go. I looked it up over there, so I can look at it after the stream. Okay, so. Okay. Goals conceded. It's to use a hash map. Complete it. Okay, so. No, that wasn't rude, I don't think. Okay, so list of scores. Each line. Okay. And it already. Parts. So, team 1 score. Okay. Let's look at this. So. Okay, so use the entry and or insert methods of the hash map to insert entries corresponding to each team. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, I see. It's for hash map 3. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I'll stop derailing, my bad. It's all good. All good. That is derails a lot around here, so used to it. So let's see. Takes 1 arc. I think my internet died. It is still going? Okay, on mine it shows a black screen. Say more stuff. Okay. So it is still working then. Okay, so entry yellow dot or insert that. Ooh, okay, I see. I see. So or insert that. Okay. Or insert. Yeah, it still doesn't. Okay, it is still working. Good. So let's see. Okay, finished in 0. All right, so crap. Yes. Okay, so an entry could be doing it wrong. So string from yellow dot or insert 50. Uh-huh. Did I? Doing it right, but you need to update the entry if it already existed. Awesome, Winnerman. Yes, it is. Yes, indeed. So you're doing it right, but you need to update the entry if it already existed. So, okay, so where do I do that then? Okay. Already existed. Okay, so maybe I should try it again. It's been a while. Well, I like it. I haven't done much configuration to it though. I kind of just used the out-of-the-box configuration. Yeah, except for a few things I changed, but yeah, for the most part. So let's see. So how does that? But you need to update the entry if it already existed. So, I don't quite understand. Okay. Hello, wonderful. So 0. The same team played 2 games. Huh. So so England. Not sure I understand. So if the same team played 2 games, so this will just take the. You need to add to it. So, or team 1 name. Okay, so I'm trying to. It's like the total of it. Is that what, like, so they played 2 games. So here, England, 4, so then their total score is going to be 5. Ooh, that might be what it is. Yeah, okay. So how do I do that? Let's see. So so entry of that. And then dot goals scored plus team 1 score. Like this. Is this what? Can't do that. Yeah, so that's not. So we have to get it. I'm not. So I. Okay. Can be updated. All right. So here's where it says that. All right. Okay, I think I get it now. Not quite with the right syntax, but look up. All right. Well, I think this will link to the right thing. If not, I will look up that. So, creating a new one. Accessing values. Okay. Wait, where did it? Updating based on old value. So, where is it? Or insert 0. Okay, so like, when score 1, let's see, score 1 is dot, let's see, goals scored, s equals team 1 score. Let's see, this might not be right, but goals conceded, team 2 score. Two. Whoops. Okay. Okay, not quite. That cannot be the reference. No. Okay, so that didn't. Yeah. Alright, so we only want to do that if it exists, though. Let me look at this and modify. Oh, okay, actually, do we not need the... Not need this, then, right? Just 0 and 0. Then we'll add every time, you know? Let's see. There we go. Okay, yes. Yes, indeed. Okay. Alright, and now quiz 2. So, quiz 2, let's see. And 50% complete. Very cool. So, let's see what we need to do. Yeah, that also works. Okay, well, I think that was the intended way of doing it, because based on what it linked, I think that's pretty much what I wanted. Maybe not, though. I can look at this and see how you were intending. Let's see. Ooh, here, right here. Right here, let's see. My internet is dying, I think. Because that is very slow. Okay. Okay, holy moly. I think it's completely dead, because that is horribly slow. Is the stream even still going? I don't know, because that is bad. Must be Brave browser saving some bandwidth by not loading anything. Huh. Oh, I mean, I can try Firefox. Let's see if I copy this link. Firefox. Yeah, there we go, open. Let's see. Still going, okay. Even Firefox doesn't work. Let's see. I don't know if I have another one installed. Okay, stream is still working fine. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, it's gonna load, finally. Okay. It's still very slow, though. Yeah, this is bad. Well, I got it. Okay, at least I am here. So, let's see. We are looking for and modify. So, oh yeah, right here. Ooh, okay. Interesting syntax. Provides in-place movable access. Okay. And modify. Okay. I see. Alright. So it is. It's pretty much the same thing. Just more condensed. Because it would do the same thing. Yeah, okay, I see. I see. Alright. I'm gonna close that now. So there we go. Let's see. Maybe that was even on this page. It's not. Okay. So let's see what we've got now. Okay, expected identifier. So transformer. So what are we outputting? So input looks like it is So transformer, what are we trying to transform? Output. Well, this is a vector of what? No. How do you, what is the vector like that? Of something like that. But I don't know that's what it is. We'll find out. Okay. So input has string and command, so it is super command. Okay, so where do we input it? Use to have transformer in scope. We need to use my module. Okay, let's see. So where do we call it? Transformer vec. So it takes a vector of it's not I32, that was just a placeholder. So strings, vector of tuples, I suppose. So vector of tuple. So like string and command. Like that. And it will output. So we'll output what? Output 0 is hello. So it's just to uppercase. So it's gonna output just a string. Or well, actually it's going to output a vector. So yeah. The vector vector of vector of what? Vector of strings. I think so. So uppercase. So we need to match command. So uppercase. I think we need to do command uppercase. And let's see. So can we do like string to upper? Something like that. Upper. I don't know. We'll see. String to upper. Something like that. And then command trim. We can do string dot trim. Okay. And then command append. So what is that? Append, and then it appends a number. Oh, it's the amount of time. So, okay. So it is just. Can you do multiplication on a string? Maybe we'll need to use a for loop, but we can try that. So we can do string. String times string. That probably won't work. Let's see what this does then. So, my marker. What is closing delimiter of that? What is mismatch? Ooh, did I remove? I see. Like that. There we go. Okay, so we got a lot of problems. That is okay. So append, yeah, I need to do that. So, unresolved import my module. So it is not quite like that. Super command. Is it? Alright, well, let's see. Use, vector is not, what is it called? How do you do vec? Is it just vec? I don't remember. Yeah, it's just vec. Okay. Vec. And there we go. Okay, so now, no external create my module. So it is here. Is it, whoops, is it super then? Okay. Command append defined here. Append, ooh, okay, but we need the size as well. Okay, so, yeah, we need to do, let's see, string times equals, we can actually get it like this size. I still don't know if that'll work necessarily, but, okay, so, not found in this scope. And output equal, let's see, transformer. Can I just use transformer? There we go, like that. And then, okay, no method named toUpper. Alright, yeah, so, toUpperCase. Okay. And then, that doesn't work. Got toString, okay. I do that, or is it on the end? So, toString, like that. No. So, oh, whoops, actually, I do have that there, which is a problem. Okay, so that is not what it wants. No, it needs, okay. String found stir. So this, toString as well. Okay, and then can I use that on string? So, can I do like that? Yeah, so that doesn't work. Actually, well, that's not, already is. So, alright, well, let's see, so I want to, let me look at, append to string. See if it wants to load this time. Maybe I should open up Firefox as well. To make sure. Let me close some of these. Maybe that would help. Oh wait, oh there we go, it went. Okay, perfect. So, concatenate strings. Yeah. Can I do push stir on an own string? Let's see. But you can't do that. Can't multiply strings at all. There's a method for this. Yeah. Well, so, let's see. Is it just multiply string? Let's see that. Oh, dot repeat. Okay. Dot repeat. Size. Okay, and need to do that. Okay, nope. So it works. Okay, so what part? Index out of bounds. Index is out of bounds. Ooh, okay. So it did not work. Because I need to actually append to this vector. So can I just do that? Yeah. We'll find out. Put dot append. I'll put dot append. And let's see. So no. Okay, so expected mutable reference found string. So oh, let me look at append. Let's see. Let's append it to vector. And let's see. So okay, function append. Use the extent. No, I don't want extent. I want let's see, a.append. So alright, so maybe, yeah, maybe I just want to push to it rather than append. That could be it. Yes. Push. 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 Okay. And alright, left is foo, right is foo bar. Foo bar, so let's see. Dot into. What is that? Append one. So oh, okay, wait, is it appending? Bar, append 5. So oh, it appends bar that many times. Oh, okay, so that's what it is. Yeah, okay, so we need to append string. Let's see, can I just do there we go. String string plus bar dot expected that, found that. So where it. Okay, so what cannot add string to string. Ooh, okay, so string plus string dot to string is no start with a string. Okay, so no, okay, so that is not perhaps a better way of doing this. So bar is it yeah, that's just double, so that's not what I want. So cannot add string to string. So that one is that. And this needs to be I don't know if that is that probably doesn't work. To own to own. Well, I have to change it back though. Did I forget that? Hang on. Yeah, I did. Okay, and then all right, and that. Okay, and then unuse import super command. Consider adding that there. Equals. I don't quite understand. Oh, I actually got rid of. I see. Got rid of that. Okay, there we go, and it passes. Perfect. So, okay. Very cool. All right, I'm done. Okay, got through it. Made it through. Now options. Ooh, okay, options. So this is somewhere that I'm not super familiar with. Yes, even more so than the rest. Okay, option U16. Okay, 37G. So, ice cream, maybe ice cream. So I need complete the function body, turn an option. So, time of day. Ice cream 9, sum 5. Alright, we use the 24-hour system here. So 10 p.m. is value of 22, and 12 a.m. is a value of 0. Okay. Okay, sum 5, sum 5. Okay. Left in the fridge. If it's before 10 p.m., there's 5 pieces left. At 10 p.m., someone eats them all, so there will be no more left. Okay. So, if okay, it's less than 10. 10 p.m. though is 22. So then sum 5. Else if let's see. Time of day it is greater than 22. And then well actually I guess only equals 22 because other than that sum 0. Actually 22 Actually, yeah, greater than 22. So equals 22 or 23. So then else, well then we need else if, I suppose, because maybe I could do time of day greater than 23. We can return none. And then else we can return some 0 after that. So, an integer. Okay. Match ranges would be perfect for this. Okay. Yes, I see. Match. Okay. Yeah, so ranges, it's like 0 to 2, like that thing. Then some 5. Okay. And then let's see. So 23. Some 0. But it's not. Okay, yeah, and then otherwise. No. Okay. So yeah, that's not quite right. So let me look at that. So Rust match. Okay, and we're here. And let's see, pattern syntax. Yeah. Any number between 1 and 1000. So yeah, this will show when it comes up. Alright. So not literals. Multiple patterns. Okay, one So dot equal. Like that? Okay. Still wants that. Ice creams. Oh, fix the text. Okay. I didn't read that. I'm supposed to fix that again. Okay. And then it failed, so yeah, so I probably let's see. Okay. So actually it's 22 to 23. So maybe this is, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay, yes. Thank you for suggesting the match. Because I forget about those. Okay. 2. There we go. Okay, so make this an if-let statement whose value is some type. Okay, so make another while-let statement. So let's see, where is the vector pop also adds another layer of that. Okay. I'm probably going to finish the options. So there's just one more, and then I'm probably going to end the string. So just so everyone knows. Yeah, so we've got 2 more. Okay. While-let statement. So what does if-let statement look like? Maybe I could just have searched in there. That's if-let statement. So if let, yes. So if his value is some type, okay, so if let, okay, alright, if let some I, okay, so I is that equals number. So if, alright, if, let's see, But so then this is the target. So stir equals target, I'm assuming. Or is it? Optional target, some target. Okay. So let me look at actually in here. So check out if let and while let. Okay. Can be stacked. Some variable equals variable two. Okay. So all right. Target. Is this actually word target? Word. Optional target. Okay. So then optional target. Okay. Emoticon is that. Else if. So word is optional target. Okay. Let's look at wallet while I think about this. It's probably right down here though. Wall, oops, no, I didn't want to edit that. Wall let. Maybe not. It is probably on the, in here though. Wallet, yeah. Okay. Alright, so wallet, if I is greater than 9, okay. Ow. Okay, so optional equals sum I plus 1. Okay, so is this actually going to be sum? Is that what it wants? I'm not sure. Can find out. It's let though, right? So actually, are we doing? I don't know. Let me see. So if I do that, what does it say now? Insert equal. So expected one of those. I think you were supposed to modify the word equals optional target. Ooh, okay, I see. So, so if let, like that. I can go this one. Well, let's see. So, is that what it wanted? No. Like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Then expected that, found I8. Okay. So, cursor. So this needs to be some like that, I think. That's why it said they nested. Something like that. Not quite. Okay, not quite. So some, all right, is it just, it's like that. Uh-huh. No, so it does want some more. But then we get another problem. So, changing the assertion is cheating. Oh, okay. Well, so I don't know where to change that. So is it telling me that does it want me to do maybe actually not like that. Like okay, so there we go. Yeah. Found I8. So this needs to be some. No. Okay. Where is cursor? So cursor. Oh, okay. So actually, okay. So you stack option keys into well-let and a-flat. So do I need one of those in there? Actually, here this needs to be like this. Yeah, like that. And then I need a secondary one, right? There we go. Okay, yes. I see what it wanted now. Okay. Alright, yeah, so this will be the last one. Last one for today. Probably tomorrow though, I will around the same time. Do it again. So let's see. So use a partially moved value y. Okay. Some ref. Ref. Okay. So what is ref? So it's a reference to. Oh, that was all. Okay. So how does that work? I want to actually look at that. Okay, keyword ref. Let's see how this works. And then yeah, I will be ending the stream after I read about this and figure out how it works, because I don't understand what exactly it did. Just took a reference in the, I guess maybe I do understand what it did, but can read about it. So, to make them borrow rather than move. Yeah, okay. It's not part of the pattern as far as matching is concerned. Only how it's matched. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that actually does make sense. Yeah. So let me read this message that we get here. So, fixed without deleting this line. Borrow this binding. Yeah. Okay. I see. So, yes. So that is, I think I'll do a raid now that I'm done. And Moloism is actually streaming right now. So we could raid him. Yes. He is playing a game though, I think, rather than regular stuff. Yeah, Zelda. It's Devis followed. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, so I will just, so let's raid. Do you like Nintendo games? Let's see. Yes. So yes, thank you for watching. Going to set up the raid now. It is kind of slow though, so it might take a minute. I press the button and okay, there we go. Yes, there we go, and raid. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching, everyone. Wait now.